The secret switch behind allergies and itching, and the scientists who found how to turn it off. Have you ever been bitten by a mosquito and felt that maddening itch that just won't go away? You scratch, it gets red and swollen, and you wonder, why does something so tiny cause so much irritation? The answer lies deep within your skin, in special immune cells packed with powerful chemicals. When a mosquito bites, your body's defenses go into overdrive, releasing a flood of substances that cause itching, redness, and swelling. Usually this fades quickly, or even faster if you use the right ointment. But what if your body's alarm system could be triggered without any mosquito, without any antibodies at all? That's what happens in certain allergic reactions, ones that are stubborn, hard to treat, and sometimes even dangerous. For years, scientists didn't know exactly how this mysterious process worked. Then, about 15 years ago, a little-known receptor on the surface of these immune cells caught their attention. When certain molecules latch onto this receptor, it's like flipping a switch. Suddenly, the cell unleashes a storm of inflammation. This receptor, with a name only a scientist could love, acts as a master switch for severe local inflammation. The big question, could this switch be turned off? In a quest to find out, researchers sifted through a massive library of tens of thousands of compounds, searching for one that could block this receptor. Using clever lab techniques, they watched for cells to light up when the receptor was activated, and then tested which substances could keep the lights off. The breakthrough came when they found a molecule that could dock onto the receptor and block it. Even better, they tweaked this molecule to make it work at incredibly low doses. In dramatic experiments, this new compound completely prevented life-threatening allergic reactions in mice. But would it work in humans? The team painstakingly isolated human immune cells and showed that the molecule could block the same receptor, stopping the release of those troublesome inflammatory chemicals. The story doesn't end there. The scientists kept refining their discovery, making the blocker even more powerful and longer-lasting, crucial steps for turning it into a real medicine. Even more impressive, the molecule was highly selective, targeting only the troublesome receptor and minimizing unwanted side effects. Why does this matter? Because if this new drug passes further animal and human trials, it could be a game-changer for people suffering from chronic itching, painful inflammatory diseases, and even life-threatening allergic reactions like anaphylactic shock. Imagine a world where a single switch could be flipped to stop these conditions in their tracks. So next time you feel that itch, remember, deep inside your skin there's a secret switch. And now, scientists may have finally found the key to turning it off. Stay tuned. This could be the breakthrough millions have been waiting for.